Hey guys, this is Ryan with Cars Remember When. I got a 93 SVT Cobra here for you today. This is a really nice example showing just over 40,000 original miles, finished in red. Obviously it's got the Cobra V8 with the 5-speed manual, special wheels. This one has been tastefully modified with a Vortec supercharger. Very, very cool. There's a lot of old school stuff in here. These are popular when these cars were new. You can see there, Vortec. Very well done, very nice install. Gives it a nice boost in power. Super, super tidy engine bay. Got some ignition components that go along with it there. So I'm gonna hop in and fire it up for you. Nice, tidy cloth interior. You can see 44,000 original miles. Boost gauge added there. You have a boost retard gauge, which works if you have higher octane fuels. You can crank that up, get a little more power out of it. For street gas, we recommend just leaving it on 0. Air conditioning works as you'd expect for a 40,000 mile car. Check out this dash. It is just in beautiful shape. You got power windows, and the windows are tinted, aftermarket tint, but it looks really good. Keeps it a little cooler in here. You got headlights, backlit gauges. And the Cobra sticker on the hood, I believe, is aftermarket too, but it is a very nice touch. And obviously you got the console with the 5-speed manual transmission, and you got an aftermarket Alpine stereo. This model is a sunroof in very nice shape. There's that ProCharge 5.0 liter V8. You got your AC compressor turning there. Little line from the supercharger. Very powerful engine, lots of fun. The supercharger helps a lot to really add some extra power to make this a lot more fun to drive than a stock one. Paint and body appears to be original and in very good shape. Check out how straight that is. So if you're interested in this 1993 Cobra SVT Mustang, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. We've got 80+ high-resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. That's also where we'll list the price. Paint and body overall is in very good shape. Not much for rock chips on the front here. There's a few small ones, but overall, in very good shape. Nothing out of the ordinary for about 40,000 miles. So please, if you want to know more information, give us a call. Thanks.